Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in Jacksonville, Florida. We're going to be touring a home by Meritage Homes. This is the Yellowstone floor plan that is located in a couple of their communities. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,168 square feet. Here we're approaching the front porch. This is a standard entry doorway, 6 foot 8 inches. As you enter the home, there is a 2-story foyer, nice and open. And to the left are stairs leading into the loft and 3 bedrooms upstairs. This home features tile flooring in the common living areas. There are homes by Meritage that offer LVP flooring. To the right is a powder bath or a half bathroom. Now, if you'd like to know more about Meritage Homes, thinking about purchasing a new home in the Jacksonville or Northeast Florida area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd love to connect, represent you, and guide you through the new home journey. Whether you're looking for a home that is already built or a home under construction, I'd love to assist you. Okay, here we're entering the common living area of the home. I'm going to give you a pan, and we'll continue here into the kitchen. These are granite countertops. Some of the homes do feature quartz. Right, and this home features a fridge, microwave, and there is a duct that vents to the exterior, helping with the smoke and odors from cooking. So if you're someone that loves to cook, this is an excellent feature. Next, we have the pantry. And straight ahead is the laundry room. This home features the washer and dryer. And then that is the garage entry door. We're going to continue our tour over here to the dining area. This home does include blinds. Here is the living room. Sliders, the large backyard. Here we enter into the primary bedroom or the owner's suite. Okay, blinds here as well. Let's take a look at the owner's bath. Okay, granite, 2 sinks, a walk-in shower, you have tile there, and then here's the water closet, space for linens, and then here we walk into the walk-in closet. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Take a look at the loft and the 3 bedrooms. Now, if you want to know more about Meritage Homes or any other builder, it is important that you contact me first, as builders do require that you have your agent present at your first visit. All right, here we're heading into the loft area. This space is great for a media room, office area. And then there's a space over here where you can put a desk, have a pocket office. All right, we're going to continue our tour into the first bedroom upstairs. Here we have the closet. All right, next we have the bathroom upstairs. Features a shower tub combo. And then 2 sinks. Second bedroom upstairs. All right, and then here is the closet. Okay, and then this is the mechanical room, so this is where the HVAC is, and then here is the third bedroom upstairs. And the closet over here. And then back into the loft area. If you'd like more information on the Yellowstone floor plan, Meritage Homes, or looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd love to connect. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.